Hi, my name is Tom Ide. I'm Vice President of Operations at Pacific Power. Getting your power back on after a storm-related outage is a complex process, but it's one we're prepared for. Let me walk you through how we get the lights back on. First, our crews assess the situation. We prioritize safety, clearing down lines and identifying hazards. Once that's done, we can begin repairs. We start with transmission lines, which are the highways of our power grid. These lines serve entire communities and need to be repaired first. Next, we focus on substations and distribution lines to restore power to neighborhoods. Finally, we work on individual connections to homes and businesses. This task usually takes the longest. We prioritize critical community infrastructure, such as hospitals and assisted living facilities. Then we move to the lines that serve the largest number of customers. From there, we move to the next group of customers until all the lights are back on for everyone. In severe weather, like we are experiencing right now, we often bring in extra crews from other areas to speed up the process. You can track restoration progress by our outage map, mobile app, or by texting STAT, S-T-A-T, to 722-797. Thank you for your patience. Our team is working around the clock to restore power as safely and efficiently as possible.